Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can improve the appearance of your truck and put an LED bulb in your license plate bulbs and quickly go from that color to that color. Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly change the appearance of your truck. You can go from that nasty orange yellowy color bulb to this crisp white light with these bulbs. This is going to take you less than 5 minutes to do. It won't throw any errors on your dash. These bulbs are CAN bus compatible. If you guys know anything about these trucks, they're very picky on the bulbs. I've gone ahead and done all the research for you guys, found bulbs that will work without throwing a bulb out indication on your dash. So it's pretty simple to change them. I've already changed this side, and all you're going to do is reach up behind here. You're going to turn about 45 degrees counterclockwise, and then you're going to see your bulb drop out the bottom. You're going to wiggle this out, and preferably do it when it's not a hot bulb. So just go ahead. They might be in there pretty good. You're going to grab it. You're going to grab your new bulb. Sometimes they're polarity sensitive, so before you get it fully seated, get it in a bit of the way. You don't usually have to run all the way back to your truck. Just hit the unlock button, see if it illuminates, which it does. It's super bright. So I'll go ahead and we'll fully seat it. Once you have the bulb fully seated, you're gonna place it up, and you can kind of guide it with the light illuminated. And you're gonna put the pigtail facing away from you, and the same orientation that you took it out. And you're gonna rotate it clockwise, so counterclockwise to remove it, clockwise to get it back in. And now she's in there, and now I can show you guys the result. So now we have a crisp white light, and it's no longer a yellow ugly bulb. And if for some reason you guys want to use bulbs that aren't CAN bus compatible, you can do it with Alpha OBD, where you can turn it off to look for that. I'll show you guys where it is in the settings quickly. You're going to connect to it. You're going to look for CBC features, LED license lamps present. You're going to go down here, you're going to say yes. We're going to hit start. It's going to tell us the status of that component right now. It says no. We're going to hit next, and then it's going to say procedure completed right here. Boom. And now we could put an LED bulb that isn't CAN bus compatible into our license plate area, and it wouldn't throw that bulb out indication on our dash. So just a quick overview of that with Alpha OBD. I'll link in the description below where you guys can find Alpha OBD. You guys can have it for a PC, or you can get it for an Android device. You need a couple different, components, but I'll link it down in the description, or let me know if you guys want to see more on that as well, but that's another way you can do it too. All right guys, so that's a quick way that you guys can improve the appearance on your truck. I will link those bulbs down in the description below where you guys can find those. If you guys found this helpful or informative, make sure you give a thumbs up. Quick, easy mod for you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next video.